in this video, I'm going to be sharing my new curly hair routine. A few videos ago, I showed you what was my curly hair routine, but that product has been discontinued. So I thought it would be a great idea to show you what I'm doing right now, what is my current new curly hair routine that I've been really enjoying, because I can make my hair look great for over 3 to 4 days with just one product. So that's what I'm going to show you today, what I do on hair wash day, which is obviously how everything starts and how I keep it looking good through the days. So I start by washing my hair, and before I apply any product, I need to make sure that my hair is very wet still. Don't let anything dry, and start playing with the roots. I want to lift the roots and separate the hair from the roots, but I don't want to pass my fingers through the lengths of the hair, just in the roots, to make sure that I have a little bit of volume. I recently cut my bangs, so I think they're going to be a little bit of a problem because they are still too short to have curly bangs, but I'm going to try to make it work and see how that goes, because I've never done this technique or used this product with bangs, so we'll see what happens. I am then going to separate my hair in the middle, and I'm going to start by applying this product. This is the Dream Coat from Color Wow. This has nothing to do with my curly hair routine per se. This is just a product that I use no matter what style I'm doing. I love how shiny my hair looks with this, and it helps with humidity, so I always use it as my first step, but you can definitely skip the step if you only want to use the curly hair product. As you can see, I spray a lot of the product and then just press it with my hands. I am not running my fingers through the hair, and you don't want to comb the hair in any way. Now let's move on to the start of the show. I have to say that this has been a learning process. This is the JVN Complete Air Dry Cream. The first time I used this product, I didn't like it, because even though the result was great on the first day, by the next day my hair looked heavy and greasy and I didn't like it, so I stopped using it. But because I ran out of the other product that is discontinued now, I started playing with it again, and I am loving it. The key for me is not using a lot of product. That's how much I use on each side of the hair, and instead of applying a little bit of product or a lot of product on each strand, I will just start pressing the product from my hands in the hair. I'm not trying to coat every strand. I don't want to do anything very specific. I'm just going to start pressing the hair. Remember, you don't want to comb the hair. Because the ends of my hair tend to be a little bit straighter, this is the only area where I'm actually going to scrunch the hair, just to give it a little bit extra shape there, but I don't scrunch my hair as I would do with other products. And the whole idea of this cream and this product is to make sure that your natural texture shines and shows. So you can definitely use this product no matter what your texture is. This product contains a few ingredients that I really like because they're really great for your scalp, but also contains linseed. And this is actually why I wanted to try this product, because I used to make linseed gel for my hair. It's something that you can make at home and it works perfectly for your curls. So because of this ingredient, I thought this product was really promising. So again, this is how much I use. I would then spread it through my hands and just press it everywhere. I do have a lot of hair. If you don't have a lot of hair, I suggest that you start playing with the amounts. It's better to start with less, because you will be able to see if you needed to apply more. There's going to be areas that are a little bit more rough, that if you compare it to other parts of the hair, you will be able to tell that you could have used a little bit more product there. As I said, I am experimenting with my bangs in this video, so I'm just going to apply a tiny bit in the ends and see what happens. This is how the hair looks right after I finish applying the product. And just to finish off and remove a little bit of the flyaways, I'm going to apply a tiny bit more on the top and just pass my hands over the top to remove any kind of flyaways. I'm still going to get flyaways, but that is just normal with my hair and I don't really mind them. I think it's just part of the look. Then you just have to wait. You can definitely use a diffuser with this product. It will work, but I wanted to show you how it looks air drying it. My hair takes a long time to dry, so I'm just going to work a little bit in the computer, have my tea, and wait until it's at least 90% dry. While you're waiting, you want to try to not touch your hair a lot, try to not play with it, try to just let it dry. So this is how my hair looks when it's pretty much dry. It's still not completely dry, but it's almost there. I wanted to show you how it looks very defined, but at the same time looks very, very natural. Now you still want to break the cast of this product, and you can definitely scrunch your hair to do this, but because I have bangs, I didn't want to get as much volume as I used to get with the other product, so I'm just pulling my hair and breaking that cast. But you can see how strong the hold is and how defined my curls are, even though I am pulling them. I also wanted to show you how the texture looks. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't look like it has any product, which is why I love it so much. Ironically, that's why I didn't like it in the first place, but because I'm using less, it just gives me the hold, but it doesn't look like I have anything. As I thought, the bangs are too short for this style. I think they're going to look pretty once they're a little bit longer, but not today. I am still going to leave them like that for the first day and play with them a little bit tomorrow. For the final step, I'm just going to shake well the roots. This is going to give me a lot of volume, and it's going to bring this hairstyle to life. This is how my hair looks by the end of day 1. If you want this hairstyle to last, you must sleep in a silk pillowcase. I tried sleeping in a linen pillowcase, and trust me, it was not pretty, it did not work, it just lasted 1 day. So to make sure that this amount of effort is going to last more than 1 day, I find that a silk pillowcase is a must. To maintain my hair looking like this, or at least very similar on the second day, I am going to do the following. This is how my hair looks right when I wake up. So you can see that it's a little bit rough, but it's actually looking pretty great. The only thing that you need to do is apply a little bit of your favorite hair oil. I'm going to use the Miracle Elixir from Coco & Eve. I have showed you this before. I'm just going to warm the product in my hands and press it into the hair the same way I did when I applied the air cream. And this is all I need to do on this second day. The hairstyle will come back to life. The only thing today is my bangs, so I am going to blow dry them a little bit, and I'm going to show you so you can see that I'm not doing anything else to the hair and it looks perfect. This is the end result for the second day, and it's exactly what I do for the third day. On the third day, I added a claw clip just to do something a little bit different without destroying the curls, and I actually really liked it. But I used exactly the same technique. The only day when I do something different is on the fourth day. As you can see, my hair is not there anymore, so you're going to need a water spray. And this is going to look weird, but trust me, it works. So what I'm going to do is spray the water up to the air and just run underneath so I can get a little bit of droplets on the top layer of my hair without making it wet. I hope that makes sense. I will do this a few times until I see there's little drops of water forming in the top layer of my hair, and then I'm just going to press that into the hair with my hands and repeat the process that we did on day 1. So I am going to apply a little bit more of the complete air dry cream onto the hair, maybe a little bit less than I did on day 1, but still quite a bit. Then I'm going to let it dry, blow dry my bangs, and to finalize, I am going to use the same hair oil I've been using the other days, and this is how I get away with wearing my hair curly or wavy for 4 or even 5 days sometimes without having to use many products and without a lot of effort. If you try it, or if you have any other tips on using this product or something similar, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your curly hair friends. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!